Kuni shubuni fibro kane kalong ka jeng petip na banta gitu ki bom tip bat ki ba apply kane ka post jong ka nepa North Eastern Police Academy kane an plikat kum kane ka shithima. This is for general information for the direct recruitment of various posts which was scheduled to be held on 25 April 2022 and 28 April 2022 and advertised by this office is hereby postponed due to administrative reason until further order. This is issued with approval of the competent authority. Ba ya katu ka post kaban sa penlong ke jeng bare hau arsan April bat arfa April lapen sange shwaya menta shipor te kin sa pentip hadin te nam ta kitu bi kwa ban yo jeng tip sobha ban lej shipor ka website www.nepa.gov.in man kapor ban tip ya kipor ba penlong ya ka lanu ken penlong biang ya ki jeng bare jong kane ka post te nam ta kitu gi bom yo jeng tip hadu mentaru kane klami la kham slem tamba kidon gi ba kham yo jeng tip dengan shpen mi ya kane menta mat pentip ba la postpone ya menta shipor tang kine hi ji pendip kufre shibun.